Hey Riley, I can definitely help you out with this one. So when we're asked to complete the square, what we want is a perfect square trinomial. And a perfect square trinomial is something like this, like x squared plus 4x plus 16, right? Now, a perfect square has the first and the last terms being perfect squares, right? X squared is a perfect square, so is 16. So it becomes kind of super easy to I got this wrong. I'm just making this up, but it should be 8x right there in the middle. Not that that really matters. We still look at the first and last terms. To factor out a perfect square, if we were to do so, this would be x plus 4 plus 4, which is the same thing. So we could also say x plus 4 quantity squared, right? So effectively what we would do, we'd just take the square root of the first term on the left, and that goes on the left, square root of the term on the right, that goes in the right, and then we just square the whole thing. So it becomes nice and easy to factor perfect square trinomials. That's why, if we can, we really want to make perfect square trinomials. So, and how we can do that is kind of by fudging things a bit. There's a little bit of a method. What we do is we take the middle term of any binomial. Here we have x squared minus 17x. So we take that middle term, minus 17, we write it down, we take half, and then we square it. Now here obviously 17 is an odd number. We're not going to get anything, useful out of this. It's not going to be a perfect number. Sometimes it is. But here what we're going to do, because we square it, that's going to be 17 squared. So 17 times 17, I have no idea what that is. 7 and 4 is 11. 0, 9, 8, 2. Okay, so this is going to be positive 289 over 4. Okay, remember when we square a fraction, we square the numerator, which I did here, but we also square the denominator, 2 squared. So that's going to be it right there. So you would add 289 over 4. Okay, I hope that helps. That's the play. Just take half it and square it. Now the resulting trinomial, if you just wanted to geek out for a minute, because we will be doing this anyway, the resulting trinomial would be this, and it looks a little ugly, plus 289 over 4. We leave that fraction in, but this actually is a perfect square trinomial. So again, if we were to factor this now, we can do the same rule, right? Square root of x squared is x. The square root of this mess is really what we started with. We know that's going to be 17, right? That's going to be 17 over 2. We just did that. So I'm just doing the opposite operation. And because we have a negative middle term, I just make a negative. Oh, my pen just died. I make a negative sign here and square it. So there it is right there, actually factored. Pretty easy. So you can take something that looks quite messy and factor it very easily. Hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't. Bye.